Welcome back to Top 5 Auto Repairs. How do you know it is time to clean your mass airflow sensor? The first sign that you know that it is time to clean your mass airflow sensor is going to be poor gas mileage. What I have here is the mass airflow sensor. You see this part that I'm pointing to? That's the hot wire. If that hot wire is coated in dirt, normally caused by a dirty air filter, or you have not cleaned the mass airflow sensor for a very long time, this hot wire again becomes coated in dirt, and this can distort signal going to the computer. When signal get distorted going to the computer, again, this can cause poor gas mileage. The next sign that you know that you most likely have a dirty mass airflow sensor is going to be lean codes. If you have good fuel pressure, you have no vacuum leak, the intake manifold is good, the brake booster is good, all the vacuum hoses are good, and your engine runs okay, and you're still getting lean codes, there's a good chance your mass airflow sensor just need a good cleaning to get rid of those lean codes. The next sign that you know that your mass airflow sensor need a good cleaning is going to be hard start. If you're trying to start your vehicle and it takes a few attempts to get the engine to fire up, there's a good chance that mass airflow sensor is extremely dirty and it probably just needs a good cleaning again. The next sign that you know that it is time to clean your mass airflow sensor is going to be poor acceleration. If you notice sluggish acceleration when you're stepping on the gas pedal and it feels like the vehicle is taking off kind of slow, it is time to clean that dirty mass airflow sensor. The next sign is going to be rough idle. If the hot wire on a mass airflow sensor is coated in dirt, again, this can distort signal and this can definitely cause rough idle. Let's begin cleaning. First, you'll need an approved mass airflow sensor cleaner. And next, locate the hot wire on the mass airflow sensor. Give it a good spray. And all you gotta do is shake it. Spray it one more time. And that's good enough. Whatever you do, do not touch the hot wire because you can easily damage it. Allow the sensor to dry up for about 10 to 15 minutes and then install it on the air box and it is ready to go. I hope you found this video useful. As always, thank you for watching and subscribe to Top 5 Auto Repairs.